Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And this morning I'm going to make Regina and I Cheddar Mug Biscuits. And I am getting this recipe from Michelle Rock. And I'm not sure if she did it herself or if she got it from someone else. But I'll leave her name below. She has a lot of recipes that I'm more than likely going to be using and showing y'all, because after I fixed the hamburger bun yesterday, I am just amazed. I mean, granted, I was just talking to Regina about this. There's so many recipes out here where you can cook, you know, some type of bread or cake or sweets or whatever, but I would only do that once a day. And so it's going to take me months, absolutely months, to show y'all everything, because like last night I ate the hamburger, and yesterday I ate the hamburger, but because I knew that it was going to have, going to be, I don't know, I guess it just felt weird to eat the hamburger bun. And so last night for dinner, all I had was a salad with just romaine lettuce, some ham cut up, and some pepperonis. And then the dressing. I didn't have anything else in it, and that's what I had for dinner last night. So I think my carbs yesterday my carb count was under 10, I think. And, well, it may have been, we'll say 15, because I forgot to add on some whipped cream that I put in my coffee yesterday morning. And my blood sugar when I got up this morning, first thing, last night before I took my Victoza, it was 110. And then I took the Victoza at 12, because I do it 12 midnight every night. That's when I take my medicines and take my Victoza, my shot. All right, and then I got up this morning and I went on and took my shower first, then checked my sugar, and it was 211. Well, then 3 hours later, I checked it again. It was down to 117. So what in the world is causing my blood sugars to be so high in the morning? I haven't had anything to eat. I take the Victoza before I go to sleep at night. I don't understand. But anyway, that's the highest that it's been in a few days. And like I said last night before I went to bed, it was 110. And then 3 hours after I took it this morning, it was 117. So what it could possibly be going wrong? Anyway, this is about the Cheddar Mug Biscuits that I'm fixing us. I'm fixing bacon, egg, and tomato biscuits. All right, so what I've got to do is, the first thing I'm going to put in here is a fourth of a cup, if I can get it open, a fourth of a cup of almond meal flour, and I have the Walmart Superfine Blanched Almond Flour. I had some other that I had gotten, but it's not, I think it's unblanched. That's what it was. All right, so here's a cup for this biscuit, and I'm doing 2, so I'll put another cup in this biscuit. All right, and then I need a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, baking powder. Where's my baking powder? And I just had it yesterday, and now I don't see it. Am I looking right at it? Oh, right here, I was looking at right over it. All right, so a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder is going in here. All right. All right, there's 1/4 of a teaspoon in that. And here's 1/4 of a teaspoon in this. All right. And then I need 1/8 of a cup of shredded cheddar. All right. Let's put 1/8. I didn't have 1/8 of a cup, so that's 1/2 of a 1/4 cup. So I'm just going to put that in here and hopefully get 1/2 of a 1/4. All right, that's probably more, but a little bit more is not going to make that much difference. All right. All right, and there's another 1/2 of a 1/4. 1 large egg. Okay. And then 1 large egg in this one. All right. And now I gotta find my little whisk, which this isn't it. And then I need 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, which is right here. I've just got Great Value heavy whipping cream. 1 tablespoon in each of these. All right. And then I need salt and pepper. I'm gonna move y'all back some because I gotta find my salt. It's over here. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of, what you would put on your egg. All right, and I'm just putting a little bit in here. And then here's the pepper. And I know it looks terrible, but I made big holes in my pepper shaker so I could use the coarse ground black pepper in here. Y'all know I love coarse ground black pepper. All right, so now, Regina.
Yes.
Is my little whisk in the dish drainer in there? The one I used yesterday?
Yes, right here.
All right. All right, so hold on. She's going to bring me my whisk. And then, oh, I forgot to butter these. I bet they're not going to. I was supposed to butter them. All right. All right, so I'm mixing these up really well. And hopefully they're going to come out of, not stick too bad. So just mix it up really well because you got the bacon powder in there and all that. So you want to do it all, mix it all really well. And this has got that little bit of cheese in it. These should be, if they're anything like those hamburger buns were yesterday, this is going to be amazing. But you have to cut them and put them in the toaster. And while she's doing that, while Regina has them in the toaster, I'm going to be fixing the eggs. All right, so I've got these really mixed up well here, just to make sure. I'll do it again. All right, now I'm going to put one of these in the microwave for 90 seconds, and I'll bring you back as soon as these are done. Okay, all right, so here's the biscuit in this bowl. I could get something, I guess, a little bit smaller. So what I'm going to do is, to get this to come out easier, I'm just going to take the fork and go around it. Make sure, and it really didn't stick to it. It just, all right, and this is done now. Okay, so there's the biscuit. So what I've got to do is I've got to cut this in half. Regina's already got one in there in the toaster, toasting that. And then I'm cutting this one in half so it won't be so hot. One of these days, I'd like to have a little knife for cutting bread and a big knife for cutting bread. I probably have one somewhere, who knows. But I just cleaned out my drawer last week and I didn't see it. Alright, so there's the biscuit. It looks just like a regular biscuit. And here's our eggs. I've got those little things. Where is, oh, I gotta get them. Alright. No, this doesn't. Alright, let me see if I can get these turned over. Oh no, it just broke. I am not good with fried eggs at all. Never. And definitely not in these little things. Well, that just was really good. I did good. I thought I was going to have such a good egg. And instead, it just fell apart. Alright, so here's the biscuit that was toasted. And I'll bring you back. I'm going to put some mayonnaise, some tomato, and bacon and egg on it. And I'll bring you back when it's finished. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so let me pick this up here and show y'all. It's got, I don't put cheese on my sandwiches. I told y'all in the hamburger video, I'm really not a big cheese fan. It's a little bit of cheese in the biscuit, but I've got egg, bacon, tomato, and mayonnaise on this. And I'm going to take a bite of it and see what it tastes like. That is really good. I'm telling you, this kind of bread has really made a difference in my life. I put off for 2 months. The only thing I was eating was just meats and vegetables and salads. And I haven't really tried any of the bread recipes or anything like that. But yesterday when I tried the hamburger bun, that was all I needed. So, this is really good. I don't know what the carbs are on this. There's, wasn't any carbs in the bacon and 1 slice of tomato and none in the mayonnaise. So, and I don't know about eggs either. So, but anyway, there it is. And this is really just amazing. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for different things that you can purchase from Amazon that I use in my kitchen. There's also a link to my Facebook, my Twitter. And I hope you have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.